Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making an Asian style steamed ribs recipe. So I have my ribs nicely washed and cut up into small pieces, and I have all my ingredients ready to show you how this is done. So we're going to get started with the ribs in a heat resistant container. I'm going to be adding in my spices and the ingredients into this one bowl. So we're going to start off with some cornstarch, some black pepper, some black bean sauce, some minced garlic, some sesame oil, some rice vinegar, and I'm going to chop up some fresh ginger. Once I do that, I'm going to mix all my ingredients up, and then I'm going to make a center in the middle. I'm going to make sure that all of the ribs are laying against the wall of the bowl, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next once that's done. Now that I have my ginger nicely chopped up and it is nicely mixed with all the ingredients, like I said, we're going to now create an even wall with our ribs. So we want to make sure that they're all evenly balanced. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them into a pot, and because the glass dish is heat resistant, we're going to be pouring in some room temperature water that I've boiled earlier on. We're going to fill in a quarter of the pot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover it and steam these for about a half an hour. Once they're complete, I'm going to show you what they look like. My short ribs have been steaming in the pot for about a half an hour. They're now ready to serve. So I'm just going to show you how they came out. You want to be very careful how you take them out because it is hot. So we have a nice, full cooked pork ribs with a nice sauce below, and they are full of flavor. So I'll be serving this with a steamed rice so we can allow the flavors of the pork to stand out. And I cannot wait to have them. If you like this recipe and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification, and I will be putting the ingredients that went into this recipe down below in the description.